The experience that most influenced how I see my work now was the technology enhanced instruction assignment. It was the biggest and most involved project of the course, and it really allowed me to step fully into my coaching role. For the first time, I wasn't just learning about coaching models in theory, I was actually applying them with a real client. I had to understand her readiness and context, co create goals with her, and support her as she tried instructional technology she had never used with her class before. This assignment also pushed me to think more intentionally about assessment. I planned for formative and summative assessments and then used those assessment moments to reflect on both achievement and engagement data with my client. Looking at the student work together helped us see what students understood, where they needed support, and how the technology either supported or challenged their learning. That reflection piece really shaped how I think about data now, not just as numbers, but as information that guides meaningful instructional decisions. Overall, this assignment helped me to see what instructional technology coaching looks like in practice. It showed me how coaching, assessment, technology, and data all connect, and it gave me a clearer picture of how to support teachers in a way that builds confidence and leads to purposeful, student centered instruction. In my school, I'm officially a kindergarten teacher, but this course helped me realize that I also play an important role in the bigger picture of technology integration and support. Even though I'm not an instructional technology coach by title, I've become someone that teammates naturally come to when they want help choosing tools, troubleshooting, or thinking through how technology can support their lessons. Working with young learners has also given me a strong understanding of what developmentally appropriate technology use looks like, so I'm able to help colleagues think about digital citizenship, differentiation, and assessment in ways that make sense for elementary students. This course strengthened that role for me. Through the coaching assignment, I practiced using coaching models, understanding a teacher's readiness, co creating goals, and reflecting on achievement and engagement data. That experience helped me to see how I can support teachers more intentionally, not just by sharing tools, but by helping them make purposeful decisions about technology that truly enhance learning. So, even though my primary role is in the classroom, I now see myself as part of the school's larger support system for technology integration, especially at the elementary level. In my school, I collaborate most closely with my grade level team, our TTIS, and our media specialist as we share ideas, troubleshoot tools, and think about developmentally appropriate tech use for young learners. I also rely on the SD standards and the Cobb County School District Future Ready Framework and CTLS to guide my planning and support. These partners and resources help me keep technology purposeful, age appropriate, and aligned with our school and district goals. I contribute to helping other adults learn in both formal and informal ways. As a kindergarten teacher, a lot of my support happens organically with my grade level team. We're consistently sharing ideas, modeling strategies for one another, and talking through what works with our students. I often find myself helping teammates explore new digital tools, troubleshoot technology, or think about how to make a lesson more engaging or developmentally appropriate. Those conversations have become a natural part of my role. I also support adult learning more intentionally through the coaching skills I've developed in this course. When I worked with my client during the technology enhanced instruction assignment, I practiced understanding her readiness, co creating goals, and guiding her through tools she had never used before. I helped her think about assessment types, student engagement, and how to interpret achievement data. That experience showed me that I can help adults learn by listening first, asking the right questions, and helping them make purposeful instructional decisions rather than just giving them a list of tools. Altogether, I've realized that I contribute to adult learning by being a collaborative partner, someone who shares ideas, models strategies, and supports colleagues as they try new things with technology and instruction. Pursuing professional learning resonates with me because this course showed me how much I enjoy instructional technology and how naturally I step into a coaching mindset. Over the next year, I want to keep growing by joining more tech-focused learning opportunities like TTIS sessions, CTLS trainings, or SD-aligned webinars. I also plan to partner with at least one colleague to practice the coaching skills I learned, like understanding readiness and reflecting on student data together. For me, professional learning is about staying curious and building the skills that help me support teachers and students more intentionally. When I think about balancing my own professional learning with everything else I do as a teacher, I find that I turn to a few key places for connection and inspiration. The first is my kindergarten team, our TTIS, and our media specialist. They're the people who understand our students and schedule, so collaborating with them always feels the most manageable. Even quick hallway conversations or shared planning sessions often spark new ideas without adding extra pressure. I also find inspiration in district resources and professional communities that are already built into my workflow. The Cobb County School District Future Ready Framework and the SD standards help me stay focused on what matters most in technology integration, and they give me a sense of direction when I'm trying something new. I like being able to revisit those frameworks when I need clarity or when I'm supporting a colleague. Altogether, I know that staying inspired doesn't have to mean adding more to my plate. It's about staying connected to the people and resources that support my growth in ways that feel realistic and aligned with my role. When I think